Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to edit or copy your PDF file and you can't do it with your PC or your PC or any other apps, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can copy or edit your PDF documents. So first thing you have to do is open your browser. Now search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. So when you search for it, hit enter, type it and hit enter, and you can find Adobe official website with their Acrobat Reader. This will help you to read the PDF, edit the PDF, and you can also make a copy of your PDF from here. So you have to simply do it, to simply click on download Acrobat Reader, and it will start download the exe file here. So you can see I have already downloaded, and you have to simply click on it for once, and you have to follow the installation process, and it will download some additional data and McAfee feature. So you have to wait until they install and download and install the additional file. Then you will be able to access them. You have to simply click on the start icon and simply go to the Adobe Acrobat, or you can search for Acrobat here, Adobe Acrobat. So you can open it, and from here you can add a PDF file here. So I'm going to, for example, so from here, like I'm going to use it set as default here. So from here you can set it as default. So you have to do simply click on create a PDF, or you can find open a file if you want to edit an existing file from here. So I'm going to open an existing file from here, for example this one. So for example, if you want to add this no, not now here, so okay. So from here you can edit each and every part of the document from here if you want. So for example, if I want to change the mail here, for example, not now. So you can actually change the name here. Also, if you want to change the name from here, like I'm going to change, like here you can see the edit texture. So you can now click on this text icon, and from here you can do is, let me show you. So from here you can do is you can copy this whole text from here. So you have to simply select all of them. So after when you select all of them from here, you can simply click on copy, and you can simply easily copy that format from here. Another thing, if you want to edit them, so you have to do is you have to purchase the premium version of your this Acrobat Reader. So another thing, you can convert it also. If you have premium version, then you can convert into the Microsoft Word. So I'm going to set, also you can do is go to a third-party website and search for PDF to docs converter. So you can find different types of tools from here. So you have to go to a tool from here, like I'm going with this here. From here, like convert this here. So you have to add that you can do is upload a file, PDF file from here. So when you upload a file here, so you can simply click on download button here, and you can see it has just opened as the docs here. So now from here you can edit each and every part if you want. So like here, so enable editing, simply click on enable editing. Now you can edit each and every part from here. Then you can save it, like here, like invoice, for example this one. So I have just added it. Now you can do is you can simply save it. So go to file here, and you can find save as. So save as, and you can find the download option. So I'm going to save it as the Word document, and here's the PDF option. So simply click on save, and yes, PDF. So now you can see the edited file is now saved as PDF. So that's how you can also edit a PDF file if you want. So that's pretty much all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.